Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, August 2nd. Seeing some cloudy skies and some isolated showers out there this morning. We're going to continue to see the same pattern as we go throughout the day today. Seeing perhaps a brief break of sunshine as we go towards the end of the work day today, and then we're going to be seeing another chance of some showers and possible thunderstorms as we go into early tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have some weak upper level troughing across the area combined with this weak stationary front draped across the mid-Atlantic. Not going to see too much change in that as we go throughout today and into tomorrow. We are going to be seeing those chances of isolated showers continue throughout the morning. We did see quite a bit of rain across just west of the Chesapeake earlier this morning. That has diminished some in the past hour or so. We're going to be seeing those rain chances here, just a chance of a light shower through about noon, perhaps as late as about 2 p.m. Then seeing those clouds thin out just a little bit as we go towards the late afternoon, early evening hours. Then we'll see those clouds fill in again tonight with renewed chances for showers and isolated thunderstorms tomorrow morning. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds. Winds are pretty light across the lower levels of the atmosphere this morning, calm at the surface, and pretty light and variable basically up the entire column up to 16,000 feet, then shifting west-southwesterly around 30 to 35 knots between the 20 and 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just above 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our conditions across the area, we did have that large area of showers and thunderstorms that we showed on the 8:15 briefing just west of the bay over kind of near Pax River. That has really weakened in the past hour or so, but some areas over there in isolated spots did receive about 5 inches of rain in the past 6 hours, so quite a bit of rain over in that area. Here we've only received a little bit of a trace as we've only had a couple of little isolated showers, and we're going to continue to see those chances for light isolated showers as we go throughout the day today. We are seeing temperatures a little bit cooler this morning than we have been seeing. Still pretty similar here along the lower shore with temperatures in the upper 70s. Across the areas where they've seen the rain, that temperature has been driven down into the upper 60s. We're going to see some onshore flow develop as we go throughout the late morning hours and into the afternoon. That's going to keep those temperatures capped into the low 80s as we go into the afternoon today. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, we do have that large area of cloudiness with that rain that was just west of the bay and some isolated showers here along the Delmarva. Doesn't look like this is really dissipating at all, so we do anticipate to see these overcast conditions throughout much of the day today, with those continued chances of isolated showers as we continue to have that stationary boundary draped across the area, providing that focus for those shower chances across the region. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, going to be seeing a high in the low 80s early this afternoon. About a 40% chance of seeing some isolated shower activity this morning and into the early afternoon hours. Winds are going to increase from the southeast to 5 to 10 knots late this morning, then 7 to 12 knots as we go throughout the afternoon hours, and then tonight becoming southeasterly only around 3 to 8 knots. We are going to be seeing a low tomorrow morning of 72. Those rain chances do look like they're going to dissipate as we go into the mid to late afternoon hours, possibly seeing a little bit of a clearing towards the early evening hours, and then we are going to be having another piece of energy move south to north across the region. That's going to give us some renewed chances for showers and possible thunderstorms after midnight tonight, and it does look like we're going to be seeing around a 60% chance of rain after 4 a.m. and then a 20% chance possible of seeing some isolated thunderstorm activity for tomorrow morning here at Wallops as well. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are seeing at 10 a.m. just a few clouds at 1,500 feet at 4,000, and then it was overcast at the 12,000 foot level. We're going to see that pretty much remain the same throughout the day today, and then possibly seeing that mid-level stuff thin out just a bit as we go towards the early evening hours. As we go into tonight, we are going to be seeing that area of showers and storms develop south of the area and move north. And as we get that approaching the area, we'll see those ceilings drop back down between 500 to 1,000 feet, especially as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Saturday. Taking a look at our short-term model here, just to show you how these showers are going to progress. You see we did have those showers and storms earlier. Those are starting to dissipate, and they will be pretty much dissipated over the Pax River area by about lunchtime. But we are seeing already another additional area of shower and thunderstorms develop across the Tidewater. Those do look like they are going to mainly remain just south of Wallops, but still could be seeing an isolated shower move north from that system that's going to develop as we go later in the day, and then seeing possibly a little bit of some clearing of those clouds very briefly as we go towards sunset. Then we're going to be seeing dry conditions between about 8 p.m. and midnight here this evening, and then you'll see that additional wave with those showers and storms developing just off the coast, possibly impacting the Wallops area in the tomorrow morning. Taking a little bit look at our longer forecast here, we're going to be seeing tomorrow morning those showers and storms impacting Wallops and possibly areas across the Maryland Eastern Shore for tomorrow morning. And then it does look like most of the rain will be dissipated by lunchtime or the early afternoon hours tomorrow, but still can't rule out a pop-up shower or storm for the mid to late afternoon hours, but that looks very like a very slight chance. As we go into Saturday night, we are going to be seeing those rain chances really diminish across the area, only about a very slight, about a 10% chance or so of seeing an isolated shower for Saturday night. Sunday looks to be a pretty pleasant day. We are going to be seeing just partly cloudy skies with temperatures a little bit warmer, and then only a very slight chance, around 20%, of seeing an isolated pop-up shower or a storm as we go into the mid to late afternoon. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be looking at that 40% chance of isolated showers here across the remainder of the morning into the early afternoon. And then as we go into tomorrow, we are going to be seeing a 50% chances of showers and storms, mainly in the morning time frame. It does look like by about noon or 1 p.m., those showers and storm chances will be diminishing. Not seeing a whole lot of, going to be seeing just mostly cloudy skies Saturday night, only a very, very slight chance of seeing an isolated shower. And then Sunday, going to finally be seeing some more sunshine across the area with those temperatures back up a little bit warmer with a high of 86. Still looking at a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm in the mid to late afternoon, only looking around a 20% chance of that. Then on Monday, it does look like we are going to be seeing even less rain chances, only seeing about a 10% chance of an isolated pop-up shower for Monday afternoon. It is going to be mostly cloudy, though, looking at a high of around 84 degrees as we still get a little bit more of onshore flow developing Monday. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll finally get some good high pressure start to build across the region. That'll help to dry things out, giving us some much more beautiful conditions for summertime, with temperatures back up into the upper 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday looks to be like a very beautiful day with a high of 88 as we get some better southwesterly flow developed across the region. And then it does look like we are going to be having the chance of another front passing the area Wednesday night and into Thursday. Some of the models are a little inconsistent on the exact timing of that front and the strength of it as well. But it does look like there is going to be at least a chance of seeing some showers and storms late Wednesday night and possibly into Thursday, as that front possibly once again gets hung up along the mid-Atlantic coast, providing some focus for showers and storms throughout the day on Thursday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.